Good morning. So today's Tuesday. Getting ready to make. Kids already have breakfast. I can't say I'm getting ready to make breakfast. Their lunches. I'm getting ready to do their lunches. But before, I usually listen to gospel music. It it helps to calm me down. So I love Tasha Cobbs. I love her. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. And then I have to hurry up because it's like extremely late. And then I probably have Destiny get Madison dressed for me. Bluetooth. So, huh? Good morning, baby. Why are you not dressed? No, you need to get dressed first and then come down for breakfast. Okay? Alright, go get dressed and then come down for breakfast because we're running late on time. We're running late on time. What? We're running late with time. Does that make any sense? So good morning to my subbies and good morning to my haters because I know you guys are watching. So good morning. Just make sure you watch all the way until the end, you know, because I put a couple extra ads at the end for you guys. So keep watching, all right? I know I've never seen a set of people that hate you but love to watch you. It's like a love-hate relationship. Like, I don't understand it, but hey, keep fattening up my AdSense account, all right? Whether you dislike it or like it, you're still adding to my man, what did I just do? Yeah, so good morning. Love my beautiful face. Thank you. I brushed my teeth today just for you. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go make my kids lunch and I will see you guys. Oh, I gotta give a shout out. I gotta give a shout out to my sweet this is she's always on time. She's always commenting on my videos. So let me do a couple shout outs for you guys. So we have Becca Hope, I love you, girl. You're always the first. Even if there's nobody else commenting after you, you're always the first. I love you, girl. There's also Margaret. Margaret is like, she's always coming through. Sometimes she doesn't comment, but other times she do come through and, you know, hey. And then Kathy's my girl. She's my girl. Then you have kicking it with the grants. Hey, kicking it with the grant. Hey. Yeah. You know who you are. I can never remember her name, but I love her little girl's name, True. Oh, so stinking cute. And who else? There's quite a few, but just going off of the comments that I got yesterday, but yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go. I seriously have to go. Good morning, Maddie. Oh, be careful, be careful. Good morning.
Maddie, I heard you. I can't go. Okay.
Say good morning, Madison. Maddie, say good morning.
Good morning.
What are you wearing?
Always like cons and
We gotta do your hair, so get the stuff to do your hair. So we're back in the house. You want to watch TV, Maddie? Yeah. All right, girl. Oh, Lordy. So I have a bunch of stuff to do, but I don't know. I feel weird. First let's open up this blinds. Let some light in, you know. Yeah, so let some light in. I'm coming. It's not working because we have to turn the box on, Maddie. So anyways, guys, it's a bit dark because I have a lot of light in my house. So where's the remote? Where is the remote? Oh no, we gotta turn this down. Oh no. Disney. There you go. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, let's play inside. So I have to clean today. I had one of those days where you just don't want to do anything. That is today, and that was yesterday, and that is every day. I'm tired. To be honest, I'm tired. I do, however, have a play date for Maddie with my my neighbors. So we're supposed to meet up today outside and just have the kids just, you know, socialize a little bit. Right, mommy? You ready to go socialize later? Huh? You just in one of them funky moods? I gotta wash her hair. Yeah, I gotta wash the hair. You don't want to wash the hair? Gotta wash it? You don't want mommy to wash it? You don't want to see Mickey? Mommy. No, no titty. No tits today. No breast. No, we're going to eat like a big girl. No, we're going to eat like a big girl. No, we're going to eat like a big girl. Ah. See, she's having her moment. Hold on, guys. Okay. They're going to fall. Alright, come on. Oh man. Let's see, which cup do I want to use? Yep, that's what I am today. So. I'm gonna have eggs for breakfast. Maddie already had breakfast, and I don't know if I want hazelnut or pumpkin. Decisions. Oh, hazelnut. So yeah, that's what I'm having. This pumpkin pie spice. Oh, it is so good. Oh my word, it's really good. So what are you guys doing today? I'm supposed to be doing laundry. Did you finish?
Yeah.
You finished? You want some more? Would you like some more? You want some more? Would you like some more? You want some more? What do you want? Here. Here. Finish your snack. You don't want it? Here, finish your snack. You don't have to be a brat. Here. You want more hot dog? Alright. Alright, I'll get you more hot dog.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet. I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it. I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What you got yourself into. What you got yourself.
I have these little stir that I found at Target. They're so cute. This one says spice. Just a spice on there. So cute. And so I don't have anything to do today other than laundry, and also just vacuum the house and just tidy up. So I love a lot of creamer in my coffee. It's just mix it. Okay. What's up, Maddie? You were calling me. Okay. May I help you? Maddie? Madison? Don't hide. What's up? I'm not hiding. Don't hide from me. What's up? What do you need? What do you need? Hmm? Want to read the book? All right, come on. Is that the book you want to read? What's the name of it? Oh, okay, we'll read this one in a second. I gotta wait for my coffee to warm back up, okay? I gotta wait for my coffee to warm up. Go sit by the book bin. Alrighty. Come get the book. Come get the book. Leah. All nice and warm. Alright, come on. Let's read. What is this? Pip and Pog. Pip and Pog. Pip and Pog. Okay. Pip was a pig. That's a pig. Pip had a big car. Pog was a dog. He's a dog. Pog had a red car. Pog ran into Pip. Pip ran into Pog. Let's turn off the TV. Alright, TV's off. Now we can concentrate on what we're doing. Okay, Pip ran into Pog. Bop! Bop! A cop saw Pog. A cop saw Pog. A cop saw Pog. 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 A cop saw Pip. Stop! Stop! Say it. Stop! Pog did. Pip did. Now Pog and Pip do not hit. The end. The end. Want to get another book?
Yeah.
Alright, get another book. Get another book. Get another book. Oh, that's a big book. That's a big book. Yes. Ooh, clever sticks. Clever sticks. Clever sticks. Go outside for a little bit so she can play. You ready? Yeah. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Oh, you just made mommy heart jump. Wait for mommy. Randomly sitting. Why are you randomly sitting in the front yard? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hmm? What are you doing? You don't know? No? Getting some fresh air? Yeah? Alright. Watch your toes. You silly girl. Close your legs. Close your legs. No, close your legs, not your eyes. You're a silly girl. What are you gonna write? W? You know how to write W? W. W. Yes.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
My baby.
Yeah, my baby.
My baby.
My baby. Ooh, mosquito. Mosquito. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like the mosquito. Mosquito. Oh, these mosquitoes out here are bad. They're like vicious. They're like as big as I am. Yeah, mommy? What did you make? Can I see what you made? What did you draw? What, you did an A? Can you say A? A, good job. W. W. B. M. W. Good job. It started raining. Look at her face. Is it raining, mommy? It's gonna ruin your afternoon. I don't even know what time it is. There's a plane. I'm gonna go grab the kids. It's like 2:31-ish. I'm gonna charge my battery. I'm coming. I'm gonna charge my battery because What's the matter? She's giving me her plate. Are you hungry? Yeah. So, hubby came home, did dinner. Yay, hubby. But I think this is going to be it for the vlog. I had a whole other ending, but it was too long and I don't feel like cutting out other things out of the vlog. But basically what I was saying is for today's takeaway. Oh, Bubby's gonna give you chips. Go get some chips. So today's takeaway, what I want you guys to take away from this video is that live your life for you, no one else. Like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by this little human being. The message I want for you guys to take away from today's vlog is live your life. Don't do it for anyone else. Don't worry about what other people may think, or you know, how can you please someone, because at the end of the day, no matter what you do, people are gonna hate you. No matter what it is you do in life, people are going to hate you. Whether it's be good or bad, people are going to hate you. Just always remember that. People always will hate you regardless of what it is that you do in life. So do your best. Follow your heart, your dreams. Is it your dream? Follow your heart and your dreams will come true. Is that how it goes? I don't know. I probably just made that up, but yeah. So takeaway from today's vlog is we're not going to listen to other people and what they have to say about us.
We're just gonna thank you.
Exactly. Thank you very much. Whether it be good or bad. Thank you very much. So to all my haters out there, thank you so much for hating. You're doing your job. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.
Bye.
Bye guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye guys. Yeah.
Bye.
Say bye to the haters.
Bye haters. Bye haters.
What?